Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mimi Doa Titan of the Lily's Bakery. Today I'll be decorating a 2-layered 8-inch cake, vanilla and red velvet in whipped cream. So to start the cake decoration, you would need frozen cakes. As you could see in the video, I'm using frozen cakes and whipped cream. The frozen cakes help to keep the whipped cream stable throughout the cake decorating, and it keeps it stable till the cake is ready for consumption. So it's advisable to use frozen cakes when decorating your cakes with whipped cream. And the good thing about whipped cream is that it does not sweat out like the buttercream. So freezing your cakes before and after decorating is ideal when it comes to whipped cream. So you would just want to do that. So after laying some whipped cream and then sandwiching both cake layers, I'm trimming the sides to make sure all cakes are even. I'm trimming and leveling to make sure all cakes are even. Then I'll begin to crumb coat, as you could see here. I'll crumb coat until the entire cake is neatly crumb coated. After crumb coating, you would now begin to spread out your whipped cream in generous amount. But you don't need to be in a hurry to do that. You would just need to neatly crumb coat so as your cake will be well covered before you proceed with covering the cake with whipped cream in generous amounts. So guys, if you're still watching, please remember to subscribe. Also tell me where you're watching from. Let me know what cake decoration you would want me to post next. Share with me in the comment section what you've learned so far from my cake decorating videos and what you would love to learn in the future. So please like, comment, and share if possible to your friends who are interested in pursuing a career in cake, baking, and decorating. So you can see I have started with the final covering where I'm generously applying the whipped cream. So with cake decorating, with using whipped cream to decorate your cakes, the most important thing to do while using whipped cream is to make sure that it's stable. Once you're working with a stable whipped cream, you would have no problem at all working with it, because it being stable is the number one priority. You just need to make sure it's stable before you start decorating with it, and every other thing comes out clean, smooth, and easy. So for this cake design, I'm keeping it very simple. I'll be using, after spreading out the whipped cream, I'll be using a comb to just create a comb design or a pattern, as you could see as I'm doing here. So in areas where the whipped cream has not been evenly spread, you can just go over it again with more whipped cream and then run your comb over the cake again. You can do this as many times as you will see some imperfections on your cake, and if you check and you're satisfied with the results, then it's fine. You could go straight into smoothing the top of your cake to make it sharp and nice, as you could see in the video. While smoothing and leveling out the top of the cake, you wouldn't want to go so low or deep. You just want to keep the palette knife on the surface and neatly scrape little at a time. And here I've put in more whipped cream into the piping bag to pipe over the cake. And at some point, I forgot to press the play button while recording, and the other part did not record, but I'm glad I still cut the remaining part. So this happens sometimes, guys. And you can see I'm done. Simple, straightforward, and easy. So tell me one reason why you wouldn't be able to decorate a cake by yourself. I'm giving you all the tricks and tips. So as you know, I love flowers. And so I'm going to add flowers to this cake. Adding on some orange flowers. And guys, orange is one of my best colors. If not my best, but I know it's one of my best colors. I love bright colors. But orange just has this, it has this soft spot. I have a soft spot for orange. I love orange. So guys, the cake is ready. I hope you love it. It's simple, nice, and easy. Let me know if you'll be trying this design soon. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy tips on how to decorate a cake like a pro. And what you can see me going around the cake with is some silver sugar balls. So I'm just randomly dropping it over the cake, keeping it simple and keeping it nice. And I can tell that even a beginner will be able to pull this off. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.